Hi friends, so my name is Ramesh. So my YouTube channel is Rambi Gudimetla. సో ఈ మంత్ ఏదైతే ఉందో కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ సో అవన్నీ కూడా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో కాబట్టి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లైక్ బ్యాంక్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్, స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ సో ఇవి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో ప్రజెంట్ ఎన్టీపీసీ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ గ్రూప్ డి ఎగ్జామ్స్కి అయితే మరీ ముఖ్యంగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సెప్టెంబర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని నేను 2 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ వచ్చేవరకేనేమో ఫస్ట్ 2 వీక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాను. సెకండ్ వీడియో వచ్చేవరకేనేమో 3rd వీక్ అండ్ 4th వీక్ ఆఫ్ సెప్టెంబర్ ఆ 2 వీక్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ నేను ప్రజెంట్ చేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ Indian government bans PUBG and 118 other apps. Global Innovation Index 2020, India rank is 48, Switzerland is the top 1 rank. So in this second bit, Global Innovation Index. So generally 25 indexes are there for the India. So either literacy index, so freedom index. So like that Global Innovation Index 2020, India rank is 48. So Vice President Venkaiah Naidu released the State of Young Child in India report. So Venkaiah Naidu garu the State of Young Child in India report release chesaru. So India now got world's second largest road network. So which is that statement is to be released by Nitin Gadkari. So India is the second largest road network in entire world. Another one is Union Minister of Education. Union Minister of Education is launches mobile app English Pro. So Union Minister of Education. So he is the Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is to be released as the English Pro app. So Cabinet approves bill to include Kashmiri, Dongri, Hindi as official languages in Jammu and Kashmir. So the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to visit Russia to attend SCO, CASTO and CAS. So Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to visit Russia to attend SCO, CSTO and CAS. India and Nigeria resolves to deepen cooperation to counter terrorism and piracy. So there is a MOU regarding the terrorism and piracy by India and Nigerian countries. So next one is Amul becomes first Indian dairy farm to enter Robobank's global top 20 list. Switzerland's Nestle is the top 1 rank. So presently Amul is to be entering into the top 20 list. The World University Ranking 2021, no Indian university in top 300. The World University Ranking 2021, so there is no Indian university in top 300 universities. So Pakistan request to designate 4 Indians as terrorists rejected by UNSC. Next one is China world largest navy, US annual defense report. China's world largest navy, US annual defense report. Next one is Saudi Arabia chairs G20 foreign ministers extraordinary meeting. Saudi Arabia chairs G20. So 20 countries used to be form a group. So each and every country is to be participating in that time. So which is G20. So that's why 20 countries is to be participating in that meeting. So Saudi Arabia chairs. So which is to be organized by Saudi Arabia Foreign Minister Extraordinary Meeting. So India's GDP contracts by 9%. So in April-June quarter, India GDP contracts by 9% in April-June quarter. So So that is very important. So Japan announces 50 billion an emergency loan for India to fight COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic. Japan announces 50 billion yens. The currency of Japan is yens, just like a rupee. మనకైతే ఎలాగైతే రూపీ అంటామో జపాన్కి yens. So 50 billion yens emergency loan for India to fight COVID-19 pandemic. So WhatsApp and Cyber is foundation partner to drive cyber safety awareness. Cyber safety awareness. So next one is Vodafone Idea rebrands itself to go by brand name VI. Brand name VI. Hemant Khatri becomes new CMD of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. So Hemant Khatri becomes new CMD of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. So K. Padmakar to hold additional charge as CMD of BPCL. CMD of BPCL. So Usha Padki becomes first woman DG of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Civil Aviation Security. ACC approves appointment of VK Yadav as Railway Board's first ever CEO. First ever CEO. Bajaj Alliance Life Science Ayushman Khurrana as a brand ambassador. As a brand ambassador. So another one is Hyderabad International Airport wins CII GBC National Energy Leader. National Energy Leader Award. Hyderabad International Airport wins CII GBC National Energy Leader Award. Defense Ministry signs 2,580 crores deal to produce Pinaka rocket launchers. Pinaka rocket. So Defense Ministry signs 2,580 crores deal to procure Pinaka rocket launchers. Pinaka rocket launchers. Indra 2020 Indian Navy to hold mega exercise with Russia. Indra 2020 Indian Navy to hold mega exercise with Russia. India-Russia signs agreement of manufacturing AK-203 rifles. Cycling Federation of India CFI all set to host first ever cycling summit in 2021. Cycling Federation of India CFI all set to host first ever cycling summit in 2021. So Indian Grandmaster P. Inian wins World Open Online Chess Tournament. Wins World Open Online Chess Tournament. Indian Grandmaster P. Inian. So Pierre Gasly won Italian Grand Prix 2020. Italian Grand Prix 2020. So Andhra Pradesh government launches YSR Sampurna Poshana for women. Andhra Pradesh government launches YSR Sampurna Poshana for women. Andhra Pradesh retained top spot in ease of doing business 2019 ranking. 2019 ranking. So NSO survey, Kerala tops literacy rate at 2%. Andhra Pradesh worst performance at 66.4%. So Kerala top literacy rate is 2%. Andhra Pradesh worst performance at 66.4%. So Niti Aayog preparing multi-dimensional poverty index chaired by Miss Samyukta Samadha. So PM Modi to launch Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Matsya Sampada Yojana. Karnataka CM launches first integrated air ambulance service. Air ambulance service. So Hubli railway station renamed as Siddharudha Swamiji railway station. Siddharudha Swamiji railway station. GOI Government of India launches 5-star village scheme to ensure 100% rural coverage of coastal schemes. GOI launches 5-star village scheme to ensure 100% rural coverage of coastal schemes. So Uddhav Thackeray launches My Family, My Responsibility campaign. Uddhav Thackeray launches My Family, My Responsibility campaign. So Trump nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021. So India ratings revise financial year 21 GDP growth projection to negative 11.8%. India rating revises financial year 21 GDP growth projection to negative 11.8%. TikTok to merge with Oracle. TikTok to merge with Oracle. So cricketers Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and Smriti Mandhana appointed as a player chart brand ambassadors. Player spot brand ambassadors. Samir Kumar Khare appointed executive director of ADB, Asian Development Bank. So Paytm first games names Sachin Tendulkar as brand ambassador. Paytm first games names Sachin Tendulkar as brand ambassador. Great learning hopes in Indian skipper Virat Kohli as brand ambassador. So British broadcaster David Attenborough awarded Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Gauri Khan announces her debut book My Life in Design. So 70th birthday of PM Modi, Pradhana Mantri Modi, being celebrated as Seva Divas. Harshavardhan addressed joint G20 finance and health ministers meeting. Harshavardhan addressed joint G20 finance and health ministers meeting. So Piyush Goyal is the railway minister. Piyush Goyal participated in G20 virtual meeting of trade and investment ministers. So these are the first 2 weeks of September current affairs. So next video lo meeku 3rd week and 4th week of September 2020 current affairs ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ వీడియో చేసి పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏవైతే ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో సో వాటినే మీకు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి వీటన్నిటిని కూడా బాగా చదివి మీరు నేర్చుకొని వాటిని ఎప్పుడు కూడా మర్చిపోకుండా చూసుకోండి. సో చివరగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయ్యి ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.